Hey Odoo enthusiast, welcome to Cybroses. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the general properties of a field. And first general property that we're going to discuss is the invisible attribute. When you want to make a field hide from the UI, you can simply use the invisible attribute. Let's say in our project, we just want to hide a field called permanent address. If the permanent address is same as that of the communication address. So based on a condition, to make a field invisible from the UI, you can simply use the invisible attribute in the XML file. Now, the next attribute that we're going to discuss is about the label. Label is nothing but that is a name displayed for the UI, and this name will not be considered under the Postgres database. We have the other attribute called help tooltip. The purpose of this help attribute is that when you just hover on a particular field, you can see that what is the purpose of the field and the description will be given under the field. So this will be indicated with the question mark besides the field label. And we have many more attributes such as required. If you want to make a particular field mandatory, which means you just need to fill out the details in order to proceed with the creation of a record, then you can set the attribute as required for a particular field. If you want to set a field as read only, you can also set that by using the read only attribute. So when you set the read only attribute for a particular field, then the users cannot make any modifications for the field. The widget attribute is basically used for changing the appearance or functionality of a field. For example, you are providing a checkbox field. So we know the checkbox field will be having either the value as true or false, and we can say that it's a boolean field. So if you want to change the appearance of this box into a toggle button, you can simply use the widget is equal to active toggle and the appearance will be changing in the UI. Now we have the placeholder attribute. So sometimes whenever we just enter into an UI, we can see a light gray indication under some of the field. This is because the placeholder is given. So placeholder provide an example of how the value should be entered, and that will be indicated with a light gray color until the value is entered. The other attribute that we're going to discuss is about the default value. Some of the field will be always enabled or may not be enabled. So we can set a particular default value. Let's say the checkbox as an example. If you are setting the value, default value as true for the checkbox, then whenever the user try to create a new record, you can see that that field will be always enabled. If you are setting the default value as false, then the checkbox will be unchecked in the UI. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybroses. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.